welcome to Weight Ask channel. Are you tired of that pesky belly fat that just won't seem to budge? Well, you're in the right place because in today's video, we've got the ultimate solution for you. We'll guide you through a 2-week journey to a slimmer, more confident you. Get ready to unlock the secret to losing belly fat. Never miss any of our incredible fitness tips and tricks. Let's get started. Wait, and before starting this video, I introduce you with Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Our 2-week journey to losing belly fat and sculpting those lower abs. Stick to this routine, stay motivated, and watch your transformation unfold. Our 2-week journey to losing belly fat and sculpting those lower abs. Stick to this routine, stay motivated, and watch your transformation unfold. Are you serious to manage your belly fat naturally? Click the secret video link in the video description. The link will delete it in few days and never up in this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fantastic fitness content